Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Solana, we're going to do a full update here on the technical situation. We've had a relatively bullish night so far and bullish morning. Although in the morning it has kind of dropped down a bit, as you can see right here. But no, Solana has been strong. As expected, I think if you watch my previous videos, you would have been prepared for a move like this. Into 175, and for now it still looks most likely, in my opinion as well, that we will rally up higher. And now that could be a little bit of a pullback here, of course, but ultimately what I expect, kind of to get that ahead of the video. Let me know if you like that, by the way. So usually what I do is I talk about the price and the circumstances first, and I give you my thoughts at the end. But now let's talk about what I expect. In general, what I expect is I think we'll pull back here. I'll give you the reasons in a moment. I think we'll pull back here, but I do think this level right here between 166 and 160 is going to be able to hold us, and I think we can get a move at least into this previous high at 184. And then in bullish circumstances, I would have also expected to move into 200. For now, I'm not sure about that. All right, Bitcoin really needs to hold this gray area right here if we want that to be a possibility. But that's ultimately short term what I do expect. So now let's talk about why I expect that. Now, first of all, and we talked about this in the last couple of videos, and that's also why we expected, or at least if you watch my videos, you knew why to expect more bullish momentum. And the simple reason for that is that we broke above this massive resistance level between 165 and 160. All right. Historically, every time we broke above that, we went up to at least 184, 186. All right. And that is also one of the key reasons why I still expect that move up. But another reason, and this is something we also talked about extensively, so if you want to be updated on this, consider subscribing and checking out my Solana videos. I try to cover this at least once every other day. But no, if you look at the statistics, in terms of fees, in terms of total value locked, in terms of DEX trading volume, Solana is doing great, right? The fundamentals have significantly increased. They're still at an uptrend right now. At some point of time, they'll turn, all right? And then I do think the top is in. But for now, that's not the case yet, right? So even though I think Bitcoin is not as strong as I would like it to be, and if you look at Solana against Bitcoin, right? So Sol BTC, that's at a massive resistance level as well. So that's why I'm telling you, I think it's quite likely here that we will see a pullback on the short term, on the lower time frames. But given the fundamentals and the technical structure on the higher time frames for Solana, even though I think short term we can have that pullback, I think long term there's not enough of a reason why to expect that pullback is going to cause a bearish breakdown, right? So that's why I'm telling you I think this is most likely. I mean, it is. Personally, I already bought quite a lot of Solana down in this range. Right, so how I would trade this, I'm not sure. Would I buy this if it gets back to 164? Maybe with a small position size. That is a possibility, because the risk, and why I would do it with a low position size, is because this looks most likely at this point of time. But if Bitcoin is unable to hold this level right here around 66,700, right? So if we break down below to the same levels we were at yesterday, then it is a risk that Solana will not be able to hold its own, right? So that worries me slightly. It doesn't worry me enough, all right? Because like I said, I still think it's most likely we will be able to hold this level at 162. Let's take that as the average. But that is a scenario to keep in mind, right? And to know that that's a possibility. Solana is very strong right now, but in the end, Bitcoin is still king, right? Regardless of the relative strength of Solana against Bitcoin. So keep your eyes on that. I'll keep my eyes on that for you as well. So I'll let you know. But for now, I think this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.